Hello students, this video is for class 5. It is chapter 3 of GK. In this video, we learn about the capitals and currencies of different countries. What is currency? Do you know what is currency? A currency is a medium of exchange for goods and services. It's known as money in the form of paper or coins that is usually issued by a government of country and generally accepted at its face value as a method of payment. Different countries' currency have different value due to its economic conditions. It depends on demand and supply of that currency. Factors that affect demand and supply of currency are multiple in economic growth. This chapter helps us to know about the capital and currency of given countries. Now first one is Germany. The capital of Germany is Berlin. The capital of Germany is Berlin and the currency is euro. Now second is Afghanistan and the capital of Afghanistan is Kabul and the currency here is Afghani. Next is Singapore and the capital of Singapore is Singapore and the currency of this country is dollar. Now Malaysia. The capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur and the currency is known here and its currency is known as ringgit. Now next is UAE and the capital of UAE is Abu Dhabi and its currency is known as dirham. Next Brazil. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia and the currency here is known as real. The next one is Myanmar and the capital of Myanmar is Yangon and the currency here is known as kyat. Next is Italy. The capital of Italy is Rome and the name of the currency here is euro. Next France. The capital of France is Paris and the currency here is euro. Next is India and the capital of India is New Delhi and the currency of India is rupee. Next is New Zealand and the capital of New Zealand is Wellington and the currency here is known as dollar. Next is Russia. The capital of Russia is Moscow and the currency here is known as ruble. Next is United Kingdom and the capital of United Kingdom is London and currency is known as pound. Then next is Egypt and the capital of Egypt is Cairo and the currency here is known as Egyptian pound. Denmark. The capital of Denmark is Copenhagen and the currency here is known as Danish krone. Australia. The capital of Australia is Canberra and here the currency is known as Australian dollar. Iraq and the capital of Iraq is Baghdad and currency is dinar. Indonesia. Capital of Indonesia is Jakarta and the currency is known as rupiah. Japan. Tokyo is the capital of Japan and currency of Japan is known as yen. And the last one, Iran. Tehran is the capital of Iran and the currency of Iran is known as rial. Here I want to tell you one thing, that Luxembourg is the richest country of the world. दुनिया का सबसे धनी देश लुक्सेमबर्ग को माना जाता है. ओके, थैंक यू.